This year you have taken 19 lakh tons. Perhaps you would take less. Will you at least take that 94 lakhs which you have taken last? So this is a simple question.
I can only share with this august House and with the honourable member that consistently, year on year, the central government has been increasing the procurement of rice for the central pool. From the annexure given to all of the honourable members, you will observe, sir, that this government has increased the paddy procured for milling of rice for the central pool from 443 lakh tons in 18-19 KMS to 518 lakh tons and then to 600 lakh tons in KMS 2021. I am grateful that the honourable member has acknowledged that even in the state of Telangana, we have increased the procurement from 51.9 lakh tons to 74.54 lakh tons to 94.54 lakh tons. This is the track record of the Modi government, and which is why we say that this has been the most responsive government to the farmers' interests, and the procurement under MSP operations done by the government has increased manifold, both in volume and in value. As regards the state of Telangana, sir, in the KMS 2021, which procurement is under reference, in the Kharif season, they had estimated that they will give us 50 lakh tons. What they were finally able to give was only 32.66 lakh tons. Then in the Rabi season, they had estimated 55 lakh tons. So, finally, they are saying that they have procured rice, they have procured paddy to make 61.87 lakh tons. We have, on our part, agreed that we will procure the rice which they, and the material that they provide us up to 94.53 lakh tons, which they are claiming that they have procured. But even today, as we speak, 29 lakh tons is pending. They have not yet been able to give the agreed quantity. So they are all the time, I don't know why this political issue has been raised in the state of Telangana. They still have to give us 29 lakh tons. When we asked them for physical verification and our teams went for physical verification, a number of discrepancies were found in the stock. In fact, the stock was not even maintained in a proper fashion. Despite that, and month after month we have been giving extensions, we have been supporting the state government in every possible way. Despite all that, I don't see the reason to once again and again politicize a simple thing where we are saying that there is an MOU. Based on that MOU, we are buying paddy, we are buying rice from all over the country in a certain fashion. There is a regular process that's going on for years. The Honourable Agriculture Minister has already announced on the floor of the House that MSP operations will go on as they are going on now.
I am not asking anything. I am not asking for MSP. I am not asking for what we left is. Simple thing is, you have been responsible. We thank you for that. Please continue to be responsible. Tell us on the floor of the House that you will, no sir, that is what he said,
yes,
that
please.
we were responsible and we took 94.54 last year. If you are responsible, we are thanking you for that. Will you continue to be responsible and take 94.54 plus, because there is 60% increase you have verified, the increase, what increase you will give? That is the only one question. And the other member raised just now in the 0 hour about the boiled rice. When you say Rabi is wrong, I mean, perhaps I missed it. Rabi crop is only boiled rice. Will you take boiled rice? If you take, how much you will take?
Honourable Chairman, sir, in the current season itself, they have not yet supplied the rice that they are expected to supply. We are asking them to first complete what is pending.